I love brownie bites. This is a from scratch brownie bite. It's kind of like a copycat of those ones you get in the baker aisle. You're going to love them.
We're going to start with 3/4 of a cup of unsalted butter, and I'm adding 4 ounces of unsweetened baking chocolate that's been chopped. You're going to melt that until it's nice and smooth. Once that's all nice and melted, you're going to add 1 3/4 cups of granulated sugar and 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, and just stir that together until it's nice and mixed. It's kind of going to be a grainy mixture once it's all mixed together.
I'm going to show you how to make these a few different ways. The basic recipe, plain, is always amazing, but I'm also going to show you how to add frosting or how to make them kind of like a blossom cookie with candy in the middle. These are so easy and good and way better than the ones you buy at the store.
Then you're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract, half of a teaspoon of salt, and 3 large eggs. And then just mix that together until it's nice and smooth. Now, you can use a mixer with this, but you don't have to. I just like doing it by hand. It's much easier than, having to wash a mixer or having to wash the beater. So I just do it by hand with a rubber spatula or a wooden spoon. But again, you can use a mixer if you prefer. I'm just using a large bowl here. Once that's all mixed together, then you will add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. You don't need any leavening in a brownie recipe. They're going to be nice and fudgy, and you don't want to add too much flour because, again, we want fudgy brownies, not cakey brownies. And once that is all mixed in, it'll take a couple of minutes to mix it all in. Once it's all mixed in, we're going to add this to our pan. Now I have a mini muffin tin. I recommend using a 24 size one because this makes a lot of muffins. And I'm using a non-stick cooking spray, the kind that has flour in it. It's really important to spray those well so that the brownie bites don't stick. And I'm going to use a 1 tablespoon cookie scoop to fill the muffin pans. Once you have them all in there, then you're going to bake them at 350 degrees and then let them cool before you try and remove them. And once they come out of the oven, if you want to make blossom cookies, you definitely can. You can stick some Rolos in there, peanut butter cups, Hershey's Kisses. I love all of that.
See how easy it is to make these from scratch at home? Skip buying those ones from the store, make these at home, keep them in your freezer so whenever the brownie urge hits, you can go and grab one. Leave me a comment and let me know, are you going to just make them plain? Are you going to frost them? Maybe put some candy inside? Let me know in the comments. If you don't follow me already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and keep watching for even more desserts.